welcome to my channel. And right now I'm going to unbox this lovely the big book box. So before starting the video, let me tell you guys that I received this box last month, I guess. So I wasn't sure and I wasn't in the mood to shoot the video, so I just picked it up right now. Here's the box. Just look at it, how lovely, how beautiful it is. I mean, I have seen a lot of posts in their Instagram handle, and they have this so many different kind of boxes and with different kind of styles and designs, as you can see on this box. See, this is the Frappe box, which is the smallest one, and I bought it for the monthly plan. As you can see, the cover, the box, it has this great and neat quality, and you can see there are some torn edges. It's just because of the delivery thing and not at all. Otherwise the box is in a good condition. See, you can see that they have decorated the box with so many doodles, and yeah, this is the name of the box, which is Frappe box. So let's just open it. Yes. Okay. Okay, so the box is look like this from the inside, and you can see that they have mentioned a little thing on the box, and of course their Instagram handle name also. So the next thing is that this paper and this sticker. Let me tell you that I'm just reviewing this box, and I have already opened it to just check that everything in my box is in a good condition or not. So that's why I opened it before shooting the video. So let's just flip it over. It's a magazine cover, I guess it's a comic cover, and I have seen so many other boxes on their website. They always put their material in those lovely packagings, whether it belongs to the, let's just put this aside. And here is the very first thing, which you can see is a storage box. See how lovely is this? I mean, it is just like a mini hardcover book if you look at it in a way. And this box is on the theme War and Peace is a novel, if you heard about it. I have seen the movie, I guess, but I'm not so sure about it because I have seen it like some years ago. Okay, so this is the box from the inside, and actually this box is not just a box, it's a library kit itself. You get this stamp from the TBB, and then there are these little library card pockets which you can use. It's just like when you go in your college library, and when you open the first page, there are these pockets on your book, on the first page of your book, and you paste this pocket, and then these are the library cards kind of. But in this box, these are the reading trackers, and I just paste this small pocket on my book and then just place this tracker inside it, and so that I can keep all the tracks of what I'm reading. This is the library kit which they have mentioned in the box detail. So the next part is this cute and awesome bookaholic theme based mask. I haven't used it yet because I want to show this first on the video, so I kept it packed. Let me just open it and show you guys. So this is the mask, and this is how it looks like, and it has also quote kind of thing written on it which says bookaholic. So next we have this pen pal kit. Okay, so before opening it, let me tell you guys that I am so much waiting for this pen pal kit, and the reason is that I am so much into like stamps and post and envelopes. So I know that I'm not going to use it somewhere, but I just want them in my corner, in my collection. So let's just open it. See, these are the little envelopes, and the box is full of these envelopes. These are so good, they are so tiny, and these are so perfect for the pen pal. If you are into pen pal, then this is a really great deal for you. Next in this box are these little papers. So these are the papers which are going to be in this envelope, and these have these little doodles in the bottom corner. See, after this pen pal kit also contains these cute little post stamps, and actually they are stickers, but you know, they give you the vibe of real post stamps. So I just love this thing. I don't know where I'm going to use it, but I think one of them is going to be in my journal very soon, in my scrap journal, and I'll make sure to make a spread out of it and then post it on somewhere on Insta or YouTube. So the next thing in this box is these cute little bookmarks. Just look at them, how beautiful they are. So it says, the more I read, the more I became afraid of wars. Wars have the power to turn graceful and cultured people into monsters. This is by The Mountain Sing. I think these are the books from these quotes are taken. And the next is, these are the times that scare her the most, the beginnings and endings. This is when the world is most unpredictable. They didn't put it the name of the book from where these lines were taken, and I haven't read them, so I don't know, but that's a good line. And the next one is like this cute little vintagey kind of bookmark, and here it is, these violent delights have violent ends, the lovers. Okay, first of all, I also wanted to add something in this video, that I have ordered this frappe box, and this box contains only one paper bag. See, they have their own type of boxes and their own curations. So in the frappe box you will only get a paper bag, and after this the frappe you have the espresso box, then the mocha box, and in the espresso box you will get one hardcover and one paper bag. So this is the book which is These Violent Delights. This book is going to be in the upper boxes like espresso or mocha, because I guess it is a hardcover, so that's why I'm not getting the book, but I have get this cute little bookmark which is based on the book. Okay, so the next is the big book box theme card. See, whenever you're going to buy any of these boxes, you will always get a theme card which is truly based on the theme of the box. I don't think that I haven't told you the theme of the box. It is the historical fiction box, and there are these theme cards. So the theme for my box is Best Kept Secret. You can see it right there. Actually, these cards contain everything which is going to be in the box. So I'm not going to read everything, but if you want to read, then you can pause the video and read everything, so that you will get a good idea of what is coming in this frappe box and other mocha and cappuccino and espresso boxes. Okay, the only thing which we all have been waiting is the book of the box. I gave this name to this book because this is the only book which I'm getting in this box. So I just name it like the book of the box. Yes. So let me put all these things inside this box and come to the main part of this video. See, this is the main reason why I bought this box, because I really wanted to read this book. I have looking out for this book. I have seen posts and other Amazon reviews and so many other bookstagrammers showing off this book, and I have read a lot about this book on Goodreads also. So when I just get to know that the Big Book Box is introducing this book in the book box, I was like that I must need to order this, and this is the right time for me, because I was planning to order my first book box from from August or September 2020, but I wasn't able due to some reason. So I booked my order on October and for the historical fiction box, and this book is the main reason why I ordered this box. So just look at this cover. It is a plastic cover, I guess. It's a mixed plastic, and you can see these gold foil designs which they have made. This is so beautiful and so gorgeous, and the color is so good. You can also see that the color of this plastic box is also matching with the sprayed edges of the book. So let me just pull out the book. Yes, so this is the book which I was waiting for. It is The Betrayers by Bridget Collins, and if you guys don't heard about her, then her book before The Betrayers called The Bindings was also a bestseller in the world, and I truly in love with this cover. This is so much good. See, this is the edges, and this is the back part of the book. These are the sprayed edges which is exclusively done by the TBB, and this is the book itself, all brand new. And yeah, I just love the smell of a brand new book, and this book is so much good. I was holding myself from reading it just because to shoot this video. I don't want to, I don't want to spoil the fun before I let you guys show this thing. That it is, yes, truly worth the wait, which TBB's main hashtag. You can see this on the Instagram and on their website and everywhere. It is truly amazing. The quality of the products and everything is so much good, and the best part is that most of the items in this box are created by themselves, are designed by themselves. It's a whole team working so hard for us, and this box has truly taken my heart away, and I'm really want to thank the Big Book Box team to sending me this lovely box, and I am waiting for the next box. Will truly show you, because this time I have ordered the espresso box, which is like this is the smallest box, and espresso is one level up from this box. So it will contain 2 books actually, and some other goodies. So let's see what is going to be in that box. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you, and thanks for watching the video. Also, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and if you do like my video, please hit on the share button and share this video, spread some love.